Are you confident about the Canadian Citizenship Test? These are the 20 hardest questions from the Discover Canada Study Guide, questions that many applicants find confusing and often get wrong. In today's video, you will take a challenge level quiz designed to test your real understanding of Canadian history, government, and rights. All questions are carefully selected from the official Discover Canada Study Guide and reflect the actual difficulty level of the real citizenship test. Make sure you watch till the end. Some of the most commonly failed questions appear in the second half of this quiz. Before we begin, comment below what score are you aiming for out of 20 and write your final score in the comments once you are done. So let's begin with question 1. In Canada, how can a party in power be defeated? Option A. If elections, Canada holds a referendum. Option B. If a majority of the members of the House of Commons vote against a major government decision. Option C. If the sovereign vetoes a major government decision. Option D. If the Governor General resigns. Answer is option B. If a majority of the members of the House of Commons vote against a major government decision. Who made Upper Canada the first province in the British Empire to abolish slavery? Option A. Joseph Brant. Option B. Joseph Howe. Option C. Sir John A. Macdonald. Option D. Lieutenant Colonel John Graves Simcoe. Answer is option D. Lieutenant Colonel John Graves Simcoe. When was the Magna Carta signed? Option A. 1615. Option B. 1425. Option C. 1649. Option D. 1215. Answer is D. 1215. Who proclaimed the first territorial right guarantee for the First Nations? Option A. King George III. Option B. Queen Victoria. Option C. King George II. Option D. Queen Elizabeth. Answer is option A. King George III. Who is Marjorie Turner Bailey? Option A. A famous Canadian settler. Option B. An Olympian and descendant of Black loyalists. Option C. The first woman to become Prime Minister. Option D. The first Canadian female athlete. Answer is option B. An Olympian and descendant of Black loyalists. When did the name of Canada begin appearing on maps? Option A. By the 1650s. Option B. By the 1580s. Option C. By the 1550s. Option D. By the 1750s. Answer is C. By the 1550s. At the end of the Second World War, Canada's navy was option A. The largest in the world. Option B. The second largest in the world. Option C. The third largest in the world. Option D. Canada had no navy at that time. Answer is option C. The third largest in the world. Which act guarantees French and English services in the federal government across Canada? Option A, the Official Language Act. Option B, the French Language Act. Option C, the English Language Act. Option D, the Bilingual Act. Answer is option A, the Official Language Act. What comprises a provincial legislature? Option A, the provincial MPs and the elected assembly. Option B, the lieutenant governor and the elected assembly. Option C, the elected assembly. Option D, the provincial MPs. Answer is option B, the lieutenant governor and the elected assembly. In the territories, who represented the government? Option A, the prime minister. Option B, the premier. Option C, the lieutenant governor. Option D, the commissioner. Answer is option D, the commissioner. On election day, what happens when the polls close? Option A, no ballot gets counted for 48 hours. Option B, no ballots gets counted for 24 hours. Option C, every ballot is counted and the results are made public. Option D, every ballot is counted and the results are kept secret for 48 hours. Answer is C, every ballot is counted and the results are made public. In Canadian politics, what does MHA stands for? Option A, members of the House of Assembly. Option B, members of the High Assembly. Option C, Municipal House Assembly. Option D, members of the Honorable Assembly. Answer is option A, members of the House of Assembly. What does the federal court deal with? Option A, matters concerning the federal and provincial government. Option B, matters concerning the federal government. Option C, matters concerning the police. Option D, matters concerning national defense. Answer is option B, matters concerning the federal government. Since when have red and white have been national colors of Canada? Option A, 1965. Option B, 1949. Option C, 1921. Option D, 1892. Answer is option C, 1921. What do you call the Canadian honors system that recognizes outstanding citizens? Option A, the Honor of Canada. Option B, the Medal of Canada. Option C, the Decoration of Canada. Option D, the Order of Canada. Answer is option D, the Order of Canada. What is the meaning of the Canadian national motto, Amari Viesque ad Mir? Option A, from coast to coast. Option B, from mountains to sea. Option C, from sea to sea. Option D, from east to west. Answer is option C, from sea to sea. Which sport has the most registered players of any game in Canada? Option A, soccer. Option B, lacrosse. Option C, ice hockey. Option D, football. Answer is option A, soccer. When was Ottawa chosen as the capital of Canada? Option A, 1757. Option B, 1657. Option C, 1957. Option D, 1857. Answer is option D, 1857. For what is Lake Superior known? Option A, largest freshwater fishing industry in the world. Option B, largest man-made lake in the world. Option C, largest freshwater lake in the world. Option D, deepest lake in the world. Answer is C, largest lake in the world. Where is the highest mountain in Canada located? Option A, Yukon. Option B, British Columbia. Option C, Alberta. Option D, Northwest Territories. Answer is option A, Yukon. Well done for completing the quiz. Whether you scored high or found some questions challenging, remember every mistake is a step closer to passing the real Canadian citizenship test. Now, comment below your final score out of 20 and let me know which question you found the most difficult. This really helps others preparing for the test. If this quiz helped you, like the video and share it with someone who is also preparing for the citizenship test. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more practice quizzes, repeated questions, and exam focused tips, all based on the official Discover Canada study guide. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your test.